9th Samachir Max exercise 2.6 third sum. Here they have given if square root of 2 is equal to 1.414, square root of 3 is equal to 1.732, square root of 5 is equal to 2.236, square root of 10 is equal to 3.162. Then find the values of the following correct to 3 decimal places. Here root 2 value is given, root 3 value is given, root 5 value is given, root 10 value is given. They have asked you to find out root 40, first subdivision, root 40 minus root 20. So, you know root 40 can be written as what? You had to write in terms of 2, 3, 5 or 10 something like that. Can you follow? So, root 40 can be written as 2 into 2 into, 8 5s are 40. So, 8 I am writing it as 2 into 5. Okay, 8 5s are 40 minus 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40 minus root 20 can be written as 2 into 2 into 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So, it is equal to, square root means after 2 values, 1 value will take. So, for these two, you will take 1 2 outside. Square root of, you have only 1 2, 1 5. So, leave it inside itself. 2 5s are 10. Minus, here out of 2 2s, you will take 1 2, 2 root 5. So, it is equal to 2 into, root 2 value is given as what? 3.162. 3.162 minus 2 into root 5 value is 2.236. 2.236. Given values have to be substituted here. So, it is equal to, you multiply 2 into 3.162. 2 into 3.162 will give you 6.324 minus 2 into 2.236 is multiply 2.236 into 2, 12, 7, 4, 4.472. So, your answer is 4.472. Subtract means you will get 1.852. That is, I will subtract and show you 6.324, 4.472, 2, 12, 5. This becomes 2 means again 12, 5, 8, 1. 1.852 is your answer. Now, second subdivision. You have 3 root 300 plus root 90 minus root 8. So, 300 can be written as square root of 3 into, so 3 into 100. 100 means 10 into 10. So, 2 into 5, 2 into 5. So, 3 2s are 6, 6 5s are 30, 30 into 2 5s are 10. 30 into 10 will give you 300 plus again same way 900 can be written as 3 into 3. 9 tens are 90. So, 9 I have written as 3 into 3, 10 you have, that is 2 into 5. That is, you just split in the value and that can be further splitted. So, 90 means 9 into 10. So, 9 can be written as what? 3 into 3. 10 can be written as 5 into 2. Okay. So, I have written this minus 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So, now you can find out square root for possible. This and this 2 values you take 1 value. For 2 5s you take 1 value. So, 5. What is remaining? 3 is remaining, root 3 plus, for out of 2 3s you will take 1, root, you can't take anything, 2 5s are 10 minus, after 2 2s you will take 1 2, another 2 leave it inside. Now, you know all the values, so you can substitute. So, it is 2 5s are 10 root 3 plus 3 root 10 minus 2 root 2. Okay, it is equal to 10 into root 3 value is what? 1.732. Root 3 is 1.732 plus 3 into root 10 is 3.162 minus 2 into 1.414. Now, multiply this into 10 means decimal will move through one place. So, you will get 17.32 plus 3.162 into 3. 6, 18, 4, 9, 9.486 minus, multiply this means you will get 2.828. 828. Okay. So, now add these two values, subtract from this. So, you have 17.32 plus 9. See that the decimals are one below the other. So, I am writing the decimals one below the other. Add means put 0. 6, 0, 8, 17, 7 plus 9 is 16, 26. So, 26 23.806 minus 2.828. So you subtract. 23 point, say subtract 2.828. So you subtract means this is 16, this is 9, this is 7, 17. So this becomes 5. 8, 7, 2 means 9.32, 23.978. So your answer is 23.978.